We are now going to look at the Kam PowerStrip5, which is basically a COB LED lighting effect. What's COB? That's chip on board. Basically underneath this lens here is an individual 30 watt COB LED, so that's 5 of them in one unit. Out of the box you get mains cable, the PowerStrip main unit and 2 wall mounting brackets. You have the function settings here, the LED display with the standard Kam 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons, DMX in and out, IEC mains in, and this one is fan assisted, fan cooled. This particular unit is broken down into 3 DMX sections. If you see A, and obviously the numbers after, that's for 8 channel mode. And what you do here, I was going to set that address there to 8 channel mode DMX value 2. If we scan through, pressing the main menu again, you come down to a capital H, which is the 20 channel operation. And obviously you can set the DMX value between 1 and 5, 1, 2 for your universe. Stepping through the navigation again, by pressing the menu button, you get the lowercase h, which is the 15 channel operation. Basically the 8, 15 and 12 channels gives you various ways to control the unit. You may want to control each individual LED by RGB control, which is key for colour mixing and creating chases with the block. We'll move on now to the next section, which is the standalone section. So by pressing this again, you'll see a CC number appears. And what this is colour hopping. All 5 LEDs will output at the same time, and the value that you've got here, 99, is the speed control. So we can adjust the value down to a lower speed. I'm coming right down to 1. As you can see, it's a very slow flicker, and it will go through the 7 colours that in this mode it will create. Moving on to the next one on the screen, you'll see it will say CP, and same principle. This one is more of a gradual fade. It's a slow ramping, slow fading, and you've got speed control, so that's at 99. We can come right down, which will mean that obviously the fade will be much more gradual. We leave it at 10. As you can see, it will take some time to just pop over to the next colour. Moving on again, you will see a DE setting. This is basically a variable pulse. FF is simply stepping through colour chase, and you've got speed control at which speed it runs. This is great if you're looking to just twinkle, flash a wall or an area with an array of light. This will step through its built-in programs at the speed you set with this FF control. BEB1 is colour change to the beat. If I create some bass by tapping the side of the unit, you can see it's chasing through those programs to the beat. So that's BEB1. We have BEB2, which is the same principle but just a different selection of pre-programmed light shows. Moving forward, ID control, you can set different address for each unit. So there you have it in a nutshell, the PowerStrip5. 5 times 30 watt COB LED, very compact, very lightweight, really bright, with an array of functions which makes it easy to use within the hire market, within the DJ market, for bands and theatre lighting.